Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to start neutralization, okay, which is our next topic. We have learned that acids turn blue litmus red and bases turns red litmus blue. Let us see what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. We are going to use an indicator which have not been used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. Okay, you have seen that acids turns blue litmus red and bases turns red litmus blue. Till here you have studied that. Okay. Now what happened if we mix an acid with a base? So now we are going to use an indicator which is called as the phenolphthalein. You might have seen phenolphthalein balls in your homes also. You kept in your clothes, old clothes or woolen clothes, so that it might not get small worms or insects in that. That is phenolphthalein ball, white color balls, small balls came in the packets. Okay, so phenolphthalein is used as an indicator. Now we move on to activity 5.5. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Okay, whatever the color of the hydrochloric acid, you have to note down. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with it. Now note down its color also. Note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. Add 2-3 drops of the indicator to the acid. You have to add 2-3 drops of indicator to the acid. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any change in color of the acid? Add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. Now what you have to do, you have to add a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper into the acidic solution. Now stir the tube gently. Is there any change in color of the solution? Continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop while stirring till the pink color just appears. When the pink color appears, now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? The solution again become colorless. Again add one drop of sodium hydroxide solution. Is there any change in color? The solution again becomes pink. It is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. When an acidic solution is mixed with basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. Okay, when an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in suitable amounts, it means in equal amounts or whatever the amount ratio is, that both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The nature of base is destroyed and the nature of acid is also destroyed. The resulting solution, which is neither acidic nor basic, it is a neutral substance. Okay, touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat evolved. Heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. Okay, it means it will be warm if we touch, because heat evolved in this reaction, neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Okay, thus neutralization can be defined as the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Acid plus base, which gives salt plus water. Heat is evolved here. Example of an equation is given here. The reaction is an example: hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, which will give sodium chloride plus water. Here sodium chloride is we get sodium chloride. Okay, as a resultant, it means salt is formed. Here also we have studied salt and water are produced in this process, so sodium chloride and water is produced here. Okay, will the Bujo added dilute sulfuric acid to lime water, will the reaction which one becomes hot or cool? Okay, we'll see that. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, students.